welcome to Ampry. In this video tutorial, we're going to cover installing your Pixel. So this is actually the first step for any new client. When you log into your account, it's going to navigate to the site page. And what we're going to want to do is install the Pixel. So you're going to click on your Install Pixel. Very simple process. You're going to copy this code and you're going to paste it in the header of your site or of your page. If you're sending it to a developer to add, then you can click on this and it will allow you to send it to your developer to get that added in there. We do also have video tutorials on installing this site-wide Pixel on your WordPress sites, your Shopify, ClickFunnels, Squarespace, Leadpages, Wix, and a bunch of others, so that you can get this Pixel installed on your site through that as well. Once that Pixel's been installed, give it a little bit of time, and that's where step 2 comes in. You're just going to wait for it, and once we see data come through, that's when you're going to see this message come through, and it'll show you when things were last tracked. So you can navigate through your site where the Pixel is on, and that will fire the Pixel, and that's how you know that the Pixel is working. If you're not seeing this congrats message after a little bit of time, then go ahead and email us at support@ampry.com and we can look into it for you. So it's as simple as that to get the Pixel installed. Thanks for watching.